Welcome to the new video. In this video, I will show you how to watch your employees' screens in a view-only mode without taking control of their PCs or interrupting their work. So if you're a small or medium business owner or an IT service provider, and you just want to see what's happening on company computers, this video is for you. Maybe you don't like classic remote control tools because they can move the mouse, type on the keyboard, and it just disturb the user. You don't want your employees to suddenly lose control of their PC or to see the mouse moving by itself just because someone is monitoring them. What you really want is a discrete view-only solution. You can see the live screen, you can follow what the employee is doing, but you're not taking over the computer and you're not interfering with their work. So in this video, I'll show you how Wolfeye Remote Screen can be used in exactly this way to watch screens live without remote control, and I'll show you how company PCs appear in the dashboard for each, all at the same dashboard, all at once. You see the live screen for all at the same time. You'll see how to open an employee screen in full size, to watch it in real time as if you were sitting in front of this monitor by yourself in front of it. And I'll show you how this kind of view-only monitoring can be useful for supervising work, training new staff, or simply keeping an eye on company devices without disturbing employees. Of course, very important disclaimer, always make sure to follow the laws in your country for your use case and to inform the employees where it is required. This video is only a technical demonstration. It is not legal advice. So please, if you plan to install this Wolfeye software, take legal advice, ask a lawyer if you in your country for your use case are allowed to do it. So all right, let's start it. So, and I will begin this video, will be a full demonstration, but I will begin backwards. So with the end, what you will get. So what you will get is the following that you also see when you visit the website here, wolfeye.co. Wolfeye.co. Here. Basically, what you will get will be a dashboard like this where you will see the live computer screen of all your employees' computer. And for that to work, you must install a small piece of software called Wolfeye on each of your company's computer that you would like to see the remote live screen on. You install it, and I said I begin backwards. I begin with the end, what you will get, and I will tell you up until the front, will show you how to install it, how easy it is. 30 seconds, you will see it. But what you will get, you install this small piece of software on each of your company's computer, and will get access to your dashboard, Wolfeye watch.com/. So, oh wait. So this is the demo dashboard. It will get access after installing it on each of your company's computer, this small piece of software, Wolfeye. You get a link to your dashboard like this. This is the demo dashboard. That's why the password is displayed. So you log into your dashboard. In your case, of course, the password will not be displayed. You will set your own password. You log into it and will see for each of the computer in your company that you have installed Wolfeye, the live computer screen. In this case, Wolfeye has been installed on 5 computers. So you see the live computer screen. Here you don't see the live screen because this is the demo dashboard and you only see dummy pictures. But in reality, you will see the live screen for each of these 5 computers, or however you can install it on 50, on 100, on 500,000 computers. And we'll have here all the live screens. And what does live screen mean? You see here the live screen for computer with the name demo 1, here for computer with demo 2, and so forth and so on, demo 5. And live screen means the following. Live screen is it is a screenshot updated every 2 to 3 seconds. Like you see here, every 3 seconds the screenshot is updated. That's how you see the live screen, and that will allow you to see so to speak, in live, but with a delay of 3 seconds, the activity in in real time on that particular computer and on that particular computer and on that. Yeah. So you could change the design of the dashboard so you display only 2 columns, so you see bigger screens, or remain 3 columns, so you see more screens, and you could even change to more columns. Contact us, no problem. But this is how, and you could also even take a closer look at one particular screen to see it in bigger screens. If you select a screen and right mouse the link that says live, open in a new tab, and it will open for the full browser in big, so to speak, the live computer screen. Again, this is only a dummy picture because this is the dummy, this is the demo version. Um, if you wanted, this feature that I'm talking about now is disabled by default, but you could also make screenshot history, enable it. You could enable screenshot history in that case for each of the computer. Um, every 5 minutes, a screenshot is saved. I say every 5 minutes, but basically you decide the interval. It could be every 1 minute, every 10 minutes, you decide the interval. And you can access the screenshot history by right mouse click for this computer, for this, right mouse on history, open in a new tab, and then the screenshot history appears, and you could check what has been done throughout the day, so you don't have always to take and see the live screen. In this case, you only see dummy pictures again because this is the demo dashboard. So this is how it works, and you will always see the live screens for each of these computers that you have installed Wolfeye. Before I show you how to install the software, let's take a look at the technical, how the data is handled. For that, you can read everything on our website. Scroll down and go to features. And here all features are explained: live screen, real time, screenshot history, a dashboard for multiple computers. And what I will still show you is the background mode, the stealth mode. I will show it to you in a second. But what I want to tell you now is how it handles the screenshot. I said Wolfeye it roughly makes a screenshot every 3 seconds, yeah, of a current screenshot, yeah, of the monitored computer, makes the screenshots and sends it to our server so it can be shown on your dashboard as I showed it to you, yeah. And now it is important. The previous screenshot is overwritten by the new one. Without the history feature enabled, we do not permanently store any screenshots, any data, nothing, no IP address, no nothing. It is just that a screenshot is made every 3 seconds, is sent to our server, and on the server, the next screenshot that is sent overwrites the old one. We do not save anything. Only on our server the current screenshot, and all old ones we do not save, we do not store, they are overwritten. Yeah. Of course, if you enable screenshot history, this is option, this is by default, no history is active, so you would have to actively enable it. In that case, a screenshot is additionally stored in a separate history area about every 5 minutes or every 1 minute, every 10 minutes, you decide the interval, but every 5 minutes a screenshot is stored there and kept there until you delete it, yeah, or clean up the history. Yeah. So, and that's the case. But this is uh, rarely, most users, they only use, and that's the main feature of Wolfeye Remote Screen, the live screen. Yeah? Just in case you don't want to always take a look, you would like to take a closer look at the end of the day, what has been done. That's another. Mostly the users that enable the screenshot history are users that monitor 1 or 2 or 3 computers. And the users that monitor 50 computers, 100 computers at the same time, what they want is to see the live computer screen. Yeah? That's how it works. They do not save screenshot history. And in that time, we do not save the data. No data, basically. Also no name, no IP address, nothing. It's just so. Security. The transmission of the screenshot is being done through HTTPS, so encrypted with HTTPS. And the live screenshot and of course the history area, they are protected with a password, and the technique is HT access. In case you have an IT specialism company, you can tell them it's password protected with HT access, just that you know how data is handled here. So you would like to try Wolfeye Remote Screen. For that, just go to 14 days free trial. You click it there and you can book a live demo session in which I will send you the download link to install Wolfeye Remote Screen and demonstrate it here how fast the installation is. So book a demo session. I send you the download link, but I also do a demo in a way that Wolfeye will already be installed on my computer, and I will send you the access to my dashboard. You log into my dashboard and will see my live screen. So you see and know exactly how you will see it if you install it. Of course, you will like it and will want to install it by yourself to test it for a few weeks. And that's why I send you the download link. I can guide you through the installation process in a Google Meet session. In a Google Meet session, you can share your screen and I can guide you. You do the installation, or even I can do it for you if you wanted to install. To make it with AnyDesk, I could do it for you also. You can install it in one, two, or all your computers that you want to see if you like it. And select the time, select your time zone, the date and time. That will make sure, because we're probably in different time zones, that will make sure that we both know exactly without misunderstanding what exact time. So this will take into account that we're both in different time zones. Just select your time zone, the date and the time, and we schedule a Google Meet session. I said in the Google Meet session, I sent you the download link. And what you download is the following. Here you go to download. It is a zip file that you extract. And this is basically the Wolfeye setup file. That's the downloaded file that you will download. You double click it to install the software. And the installation wizard opens. This setup file, it opens. You just hit install and it installs the software. And then you just hit finish and the installation is complete. The control window of Wolfeye Remote Screen appears. And to set up the software, you only must hit two buttons. The first button that you have to hit is the green button that says share screen. You hit it, it turns red. It means already sharing the screen on that link. And the second button, just that you know how fast the installation is this blue button that says stealth mode. You hit it and the software goes into stealth mode, hides itself, but continues to run in the background and sharing the screen for that particular computer. And also, every time the computer is restarted, the software will run in the background and will share the screen. So that's how Wolfeye works. Come to our website, book a Google Meet session with me. I will be very, very happy. See you in the next video.